Hi, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to say thank you for letting me take the time to make this quick educational video for you. I don't want to take up too much of your time, and at the end of it, if you could possibly give me some feedback, I would greatly appreciate it. So the things I want to go over with you today are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is going to be made up of anything on your front page here. Any wordings, like any wording that you use, any photos that you use, how those photos are saved, and what's behind those photos are all a part of your content. Now, Google does like to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage. Within that content, you want to add the keywords that you want your business to be found for. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So that way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that will be a huge help in the long run. Now, I did input your information into a tool that we use. It's called Ahrefs. With this, it's able to show you the analytics of your website. So the first thing that you're able to see here is the trust and the strength. So you do have a trust of 6, but there is no strength. So the thing that you want to do with these is that we want to get them built up and keep them as even as possible. And they are on a scale of 100. Now, the next thing is you do have one keyword. So we also want to be able to find other keywords, buyer intent keywords that people would be searching for. And then that would bring your website power up and everything and be able to find you better. Now, you also do have 5 backlinks from 3 referring domains. So a backlink is anywhere that you're going to find one website linking to another website. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, the thing with these, not all backlinks are the same. Some are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So we definitely want to go after the more authoritative links, and that will bring power to your website. Now, when you are trying to get all this power and strength, the place you want to be is on the map pack. Now, this is a weird map because I put in Contra Costa County versus just a specific city. But this will be able to have you right there in front of your customer's face. Like you're going to be right there on top. The top 3 is the best place to be for sure. Now, another thing is when you have a Google business profile, they give you an About Us section. And now you have a 750 words maximum there. You want to make sure you're using all 750 words. You also want to place keywords throughout that About Us section as well. You want to be very responsive to your reviews and messages. And make sure you're posting weekly with branded posts and geolocated photos. That's going to help with your relevance. Now, another thing you want to do is citations. This is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number are in things like the Yellow Pages, Yelp, and going out and giving out your information to as many people as possible. That's going to increase your relevance and help your website as well. So I did pull up another website here. Here we're able to see their content, their photos. They definitely don't have a lot of content either, but I did put their analytics in. So they have right now 8 backlinks and 3 keywords. So the idea with this and being able to use this tool, we are able to then search your competitors, see what their keywords that they're using. That way you're able to utilize these specific buyer intent keywords on your website as well. And then that way we can start bringing up that strength and that trust as well and giving you more relevance. And also being able to check out the analytics of the website, we want to be able to utilize the backlinks that your competitors have. Definitely find those strong backlinks. We want to utilize them, and then we also want to be able to find other backlinks and get more than what your competitors have. So those are my tips today. I just want to say thank you again for letting me take the time to make this video. Again, like I said, any feedback would be greatly appreciated. I will attach along with this video my phone number, my email, so whenever you want to call, text, email, whatever works best for you, if you ever have any questions, please feel free to do so, and I hope you have a great day.